What's up, guys? In today's vid, I'm going to show you how to reset the control center and menu bar on your MacBook. Let's get right to it. So first off, let me show you what my control center and menu bar look like right now. Then we'll go through how to wipe them back to the default setup. Alright, pop open the Settings app on your Mac. Once you're in, scroll down and hit up Menu Bar. Then keep scrolling till you see this option at the bottom that says Reset Menu Bar and Control Center. Click on that. A little pop-up's going to come up asking if you're sure you want to reset. This will bring all your control center and menu bar settings right back to how they were out of the box. Just hit Reset to confirm, and boom, that's it. Your control center and menu bar are now fresh like the day you first fired up your Mac. If it doesn't reset for some reason, try restarting your Mac and then run through these steps again. And hey, if there's still some funky bug going on, check if there's a new software update or just shoot some feedback over to Apple support. If this vid helped you out, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more slick MacBook tips. Catch you next time.